Welcome everyone to our next Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see one Excel tricks here. Suppose you have a data like this and you want to print. So once I go to print here, print option, and in preview you can see like some of the data are coming on the first page and the rest of the data are coming on second page. And your requirement is to print all the data on one page only. So you have to adjust some setting here in Excel. Press back here, go to the page layout, and simply select here the width one page and the height one page. Now we will go to the print preview again. See here, all the data are coming on one page. Below you can see here, you can change the layout here. So by this way you can use Excel print function. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.